In this video, let us see how to upload 3D image to your Facebook account or page. To do that, you need to have two files. One is your image and depth map of it. Now let us see what is meant by depth map. Before knowing what is depth map, let us understand what is map. Map is nothing but a thing which gives information or the distance about some particular area. Like that only, the depth map defines in the image how far the objects and how near the objects are in the image, and we have to define that in our Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Now we are on the Photoshop. Now I took this image and how to create the depth map of this image means, so let us understood where the objects are. Here if you see means, here this guy was so nearest to the camera, and in the background the sky is too far and the road is also nearest little bit. And if you see this name, that is Kartik Devi Kshetra, and if you look at this name, it is in between the person and the background, that is sky. So now what we should do is, we have to make the sky as in black color, and the object means that nearest to the camera is this person, we should make him in white color, and the name should be in the green color. To do that, we have to select him. To select him, I will select quick selection tool right there in the toolbar, and I will drag over him. If any extra area was selected, to remove that you just have to press Alt and drag wherever the selection have to be removed. And here little bit. You should select the object. And here we have missed some, so leave the Alt and select it. And here little bit. So it has selected extra area, just press Alt and drag over there, which we don't need. In case if your image was not so sharp, then you can do one thing. While the quick selection is inactive and you have selected something, just press Q in your keyboard
and it will activate the quick selection mask. Here red is the area which is not to be selected, and the color is the area which is to be selected.
I will select my brush tool and make sure your background color is black. And if you want to something to be selected means, you just press the X to toggle between these background colors, that is white and black. If I press X, the color will change to white, and now erase wherever you want to select. And here in between the ears there is a little bit background, let us erase that. And again press X to toggle between the foreground and background, and just remove that. Here little bit here we have to select it, just press X. And once you selected everything, again press the Q and it will appear like this. Now you go here and create a new layer, and to make sure your foreground color is white. If they are not incorrect, just press T to reset them. Once everything is selected, make your foreground color to white. Here the foreground color should be white, and when the selection is active, just press Alt and backspace by creating a new layer. And now you hide this layer. Now let us create black color to this background and little bit white in the below. To do that, now let us remove this selection. To remove that, just press Ctrl plus D. And now I will create another layer. I will choose gradient map. Here the gradient tool is, just select that and create another new layer. If you see there is a layer 2, just drag by hold to get straight line, just hold the shift and drag it still where there is a road and leave it back. Here the black color will apply to the sky and white color is the nearest part, and again hide this also. Now let us select this name. To select that name, just go to select and color range. Once you selected like this, just press OK and again press Q and remove the unknown selections. Once the selection is good, just press the Q, and now you should choose gray color. Just go to the color panel, just choose the gray color and create one new layer, and now press Alt and backspace. Now turn on all the layers. This is how we can create our depth map. So let us make all these 3 layers into a group and let us name this group as depth. Now turn off this depth map and save this image first in any format, that may be in PNG or JPEG. Whatever name you want, you can give for that. Just save it and turn on the depth map, and again you should save this in the same folder. But when you're saving this image, the image name should be same as the before, and to that you should add underscore and depth. That's it. Once you save both the images, just go back to your Facebook. So just select both the images and open. The Facebook will do the work. It will automatically create your 3D image, and if you move your mouse, automatically you can see your image was created in 3D. Here if you observe, there is a little bit hairs here, so we have not done the selection very well, I think. To show you, I have did it quickly. So if you spend little bit of time on this, means you can do it very perfectly and good looking one. So this is how you can create a 3D image in your Facebook. So I hope you are like this video. Please do share this video with your friends and click on the like button, and do subscribe for my channel to get more interesting videos in future. Until that, bye bye.